Hey guys, I'm here with my new MacBook 2.4 gigahertz, and again this is one of the new aluminum unibody ones, and I'm just gonna make a quick video of the first boot up and just some key features of the new MacBook. Well, let's take a look at the side first. As you can see, there's a power slot where you attach your power adapter right here. And again, your LAN and your internet wire can go here, and you have two USB ports, port for your additional monitor, and a headphone jack. And again, they have a really neat thing right here which actually tells you, it's an OLED light, and it tells you how much battery is in your laptop. And just press this button here. I don't know if you can see it, but if you can see the lights pop up, okay, that means it has full battery. So, and something new with these MacBooks is that Apple has decided to put all the outlets on one end, so there's absolutely nothing on the other end except the CD drive. And I don't know, some people may like it, some people may not like it, because if you want to use a mouse, you would have to connect it to your left end, which may be a bit harder to use. Now, again, at the back there's a nice little black outline, which again I think signifies the black outer border to the screen. Now, I'm just gonna quickly open this plastic, and then we could start up the first boot up then. Now, something on the bottom is like a little switcher which you can press. It's like, oh, actually, hold on, just give me a sec. Which ejects the whole. I haven't done it myself yet, so let's see what it does. So it opens this whole compartment. This is where the battery lies. That's neat. How do you close this? It's very simple actually. Done. Now, if you want to upgrade, say, memory or something like that, I heard it's pretty tough because you have to open up screws. These little screws, all of these little screws, and it's a bit harder than the old Mac.